Butter. That golden spread that makes toast sing and pastries flaky. It's a staple we rarely think twice about. But how does it get from a cow in a field to your kitchen table? The journey is a blend of tradition and cutting-edge technology, transforming simple milk into a culinary essential. In this video we'll reveal the industrial process behind butter, and from fresh milk, through churning and flavoring, to the final packaged product. Every step is about more than taste. It's about safety, consistency, and quality. So next time you unwrap a stick of butter, remember the science and care behind it. Let's begin with the very first ingredient, fresh milk arriving straight from the farm. Butter's story begins long before it reaches your table, starting at the heart of the countryside on a bustling dairy farm. Here, in the early morning light, cows graze peacefully on lush green pastures, cared for by dedicated farmers who ensure their health and well-being. These cows are the source of the raw milk that will eventually become butter, and their diet and environment play a crucial role in the quality of the milk they produce. Each day, skilled workers gently guide the cows into the milking parlor, where modern mechanical milking machines are used to collect the milk efficiently and hygienically. This process is carefully monitored to ensure that the cows are comfortable and that the milk remains uncontaminated from the very start. Once collected, the fresh milk is quickly cooled and loaded into insulated tanker lorries. These tankers are designed to maintain the milk at a low temperature during transport, preserving its freshness as it travels from the farm to the dairy factory. Upon arrival at the processing plant, before any milk is unloaded, a sample is carefully drawn from each tanker and sent straight to the laboratory for rigorous testing. In the lab, highly trained technicians analyze the milk samples for a range of factors. They check for impurities, signs of spoilage, harmful bacteria, and measure the fat content, an essential component for butter production. These tests are vital as they ensure that only the highest quality milk is used, safeguarding both the final product and the health of consumers. Only milk that passes every single test is approved for use. This approval is a mark of quality, confirming that the milk meets strict industry standards and is safe for further processing. Approved milk is then pumped into massive stainless steel storage silos, where it is kept chilled at around 4 degrees Celsius. This cold storage is crucial for maintaining the milk's freshness and preventing the growth of unwanted bacteria before it moves on to the next stage. The factory operates on a first-in, first-out system, meaning the oldest milk is always used first. This careful rotation ensures that no milk sits too long in storage, reducing waste and guaranteeing that only the freshest milk is used for butter production. Throughout this process, strict quality control measures are in place. Inspectors regularly check equipment and review hygiene protocols, making sure that every step meets the highest standards. This attention to detail at the very beginning helps prevent problems later in production. Any milk that fails to meet the rigorous standards is immediately rejected and safely discarded. This not only protects the quality of the butter, but also prevents damage to the sensitive machinery used in the factory. Only the purest, freshest milk makes it through these initial checks, ready to begin its transformation into delicious, creamy butter. With pure, freshly collected milk now safely stored in massive stainless steel tanks, the journey from farm to finished dairy product continues. These tanks are designed to keep the milk at a cool, stable temperature, preserving its freshness and quality until it's ready for the next crucial steps in the dairy process. The next step is pasteurization, a process that revolutionized food safety and quality. Pasteurization is named after the famous French scientist Louis Pasteur, who discovered that heating liquids could kill harmful bacteria and pathogens, making milk much safer to drink. In modern dairies, milk is rapidly heated to about 72 degrees Celsius or 161 degrees Fahrenheit, and held at this temperature for at least 15 seconds. This is known as high-temperature short-time, or HTST, pasteurization. The milk is then quickly cooled back down to prevent any unwanted changes in flavor or nutritional value. This careful balance ensures that the milk remains delicious and nutritious, while eliminating dangerous microbes like Salmonella, E. coli, and Listeria. Once pasteurized, the milk is ready for the next stage, cream separation. This is where the magic of dairy science really comes into play. Using a high-speed centrifuge called a cream separator, the milk is spun at incredible speeds. This spinning action takes advantage of the natural difference in density between the lighter fat-rich cream and the heavier protein-rich skimmed milk. As the machine spins, centrifugal force pushes the denser skimmed milk outward, while the lighter cream collects toward the center. The skimmed milk, now separated from most of its fat, is collected and sent off to be used in a variety of other dairy products, such as low-fat milk, yogurt, or even cheese. Nothing goes to waste in a modern dairy. Meanwhile, the cream, now concentrated to about 35 to 40% fat, flows into dedicated holding tanks. Here it's kept cool and gently stirred to maintain its smooth, luxurious texture. This rich cream is the essential ingredient for making butter, and its quality is carefully monitored at every stage. This efficient separation process is the secret behind butter's signature richness and flavor. The higher the fat content, the more decadent and creamy the final product will be. With the cream now perfectly prepared, it's ready for the most dramatic transformation in the dairy world: churning. This is where the liquid cream will be whipped and agitated until it changes state, separating into solid butter and liquid buttermilk. From here, the magic of butter making truly begins. The churning process is both an art and a science, requiring precise timing and careful control to achieve the perfect texture and flavor. Let's take a closer look at how this rich, velvety cream is transformed into golden, delicious butter, a staple in kitchens around the world. The journey from cream to butter begins as the cream enters massive industrial churns. These are towering stainless steel machines designed to handle thousands of liters at a time. Unlike the old days of hand cranking, modern dairies rely on powerful automated churns that can process huge volumes with remarkable efficiency. The scale of these operations is truly impressive, with each churn engineered for precision and consistency. Inside these churns, relentless agitation begins. The cream is spun and tossed, causing millions of tiny fat globules to collide with each other. This constant motion breaks the membranes surrounding the fat, allowing the globules to stick together and form larger clumps. The process is carefully controlled, with the speed and duration of churning tailored to the specific qualities of the cream. Gradually, a transformation takes place. The cream, once smooth and uniform, begins to separate into two distinct parts: solid butter grains and liquid buttermilk. This is a crucial moment in the process, as the texture and quality of the butter are determined by how well this separation occurs. The buttermilk, a thin, milky liquid, is a byproduct that will be drained away, while the butter grains are collected for the next stage. The buttermilk is carefully drained from the churn, leaving behind the precious butter grains. This step is essential, as removing excess liquid ensures the butter will have the right consistency and shelf life. Skilled technicians monitor the process, making adjustments as needed to guarantee that only the purest butter grains remain. Next, the churn continues to knead and press the butter grains together. This kneading action is vital. It squeezes out any remaining buttermilk and helps the grains merge into a smooth, uniform mass. The result is a creamy, cohesive block of butter ready for further processing. The texture at this stage is soft and pliable, perfect for shaping and packaging. Throughout the entire churning process, temperature and pH are closely monitored. These factors are critical for achieving the perfect texture and flavor. Too warm and the butter may become greasy, too cold and it could turn brittle. By maintaining optimal conditions, dairies ensure that every batch meets strict quality standards. Sometimes, to achieve, the ideal consistency, a bit of over-churned butter is blended back into the batch. This helps standardize the texture across large volumes, ensuring that every stick or pat of butter is as smooth and spreadable as the last. It's a small but important detail in the pursuit of perfection. After about 20 minutes of churning, kneading, and careful monitoring, the transformation is complete. What began as simple cream has now become fresh, unsalted butter, rich, golden, and ready for the next step. The aroma is unmistakable, and the texture is perfectly smooth. The entire process is fast, precise, and highly efficient. Modern technology ensures that every batch of butter is consistent in quality, taste, and texture. Automation allows dairies to produce large quantities without sacrificing the artisanal qualities that make butter so beloved. With the base butter ready, it's time to add flavor. Whether it's a pinch of salt, a blend of herbs, or a swirl of honey, this is where butter gets its unique character. Each addition is carefully measured and mixed to create a variety of delicious options for every palate. From classic salted to gourmet blends, the possibilities are endless. Let's take a closer look at how butter gets its signature taste and what makes each variety special. With the butter formed, it's time for the finishing touches. Most butter gets a precise dose of salt needed in for even flavor and longer shelf life. Salt not only enhances taste, but also preserves freshness. Unsalted butter skips this step, preferred by bakers for control in recipes. This is also the stage for creativity. Herbs, garlic, honey, or spices can be added for specialty butters. Sometimes, a touch of natural colorant like annatto is used for a consistent yellow hue. The butter's now smooth, seasoned, and ready for shaping. Next, it's cooled and formed into familiar blocks or tubs. The soft butter is pumped through chilled pipes or tunnels, rapidly cooling and firming it. It's then extruded through machines that shape it into long ribbons or portions for sticks and tubs. Automated blades slice the butter into uniform blocks, each precisely weighed. A final cooling tunnel ensures the butter is perfectly firm for packaging. This step prevents misshaping during high-speed wrapping. The result: cool, solid, perfectly formed butter, ready for its final dress. Consistency and precision are key. Every block matches the label. The butter is now ready for rigorous testing and packaging. Let's see how quality is guaranteed. Throughout production, hygiene is paramount. All equipment is stainless steel, easy to clean and sterilize. After each run, automated cleaning systems sanitize every surface. Butter is tested at multiple stages for fat, moisture, and microbial safety. Sensitive lab tests check for bacteria and contaminants. Metal detectors and magnets ensure no foreign objects slip through. Trained tasters sample butter for flavor, texture, and aroma. This multi-layered quality control guarantees safety and consistency. Only butter that passes every test moves on to packaging. Packaging is a high-speed, automated marvel. Butter blocks travel down conveyors into wrapping machines, where parchment and foil are folded and sealed in seconds. The foil protects against light and air, preserving flavor. Each wrapper is printed with batch codes and best before dates for traceability. For tubs, softened butter is dispensed, sealed, and lidded automatically. Double-sealed tubs ensure freshness and tamper evidence. Finished units are grouped, boxed, and stacked onto pallets by robotic arms. Automation keeps the process fast, hygienic, and efficient. Minimal human contact means maximum safety. The butter is now ready for storage and shipping. Pallets of butter are stored in vast, temperature-controlled warehouses, giant refrigerators just above freezing. Cold storage preserves flavor and texture, preventing spoilage. Logistics teams manage inventory, shipping butter in refrigerated lorries to distribution centers and supermarkets. The cold chain is never broken, ensuring butter arrives fresh. At the store, it's placed in chilled aisles, ready for you. Every step, from farm to fridge, is designed for quality and safety. So next time you spread butter on toast, remember the journey behind that simple pleasure. Butter, a delicious result of science, tradition, and care.